I'm Kevin O'Brien. I'm a lawyer here in Manchester. I'm a partner with my brother Bill in our new firm, O'Brien Law, which we started in January of this year. When I was a kid, my father was a policeman, and he wanted to be a lawyer, but he wasn't able to do it because of finances. So as I got older, he encouraged me towards this field. So I became a lawyer, and I like it for a lot of reasons. I deal with people all the time. Every day is different. I enjoy meeting people. I enjoy helping people. I think it's something that I find a lot of pleasure in, is seeing people's problems and then trying to come up with the right solution for it.
My name is Bill O'Brien. I'm a partner with the law firm of O'Brien Law. After I graduated from law school in 1989, I did 10 years of insurance defense work working for the Travelers Insurance Company in Aetna. And during that time, I litigated a number of cases. My background in claims and my background as an insurance defense attorney has given me a very strong background in terms of understanding what goes on within the insurance company, how they make their decisions, and how they evaluate cases.
He walked us through the program and explained everything to us. It was very good. It was a very good experience.
When people come to see me for, they want their will done or they want some of these documents done, I'm going to care about my clients and what they want done. I always put my clients first. I think it's not just a matter of my personal wishes, but I think it's an obligation of a lawyer to represent your client and to make your client the focus of what we're trying to do.
He was very kind, very considerate, very patient, and very knowledgeable. And I felt comfortable talking to him and telling him everything that had happened.
I enjoy the fact that I can help people after an accident. Often they come to me and they're very upset. They're angry about what has happened to them. They're upset about their injuries, and I look forward to trying to help them and shepherd them through the process if I can.
Working with Kevin has been an extreme pleasure, very, very comforting. One night this guy was going to try to sue me, and he's telling me this and he's telling me that, and you know, my wife was a stay-at-home mom, I had 2 kids, so I called Kevin late at night and he goes, "Johnny," he goes, "relax, you can't do this."
I've seen a lot of clients say that to me. They say, "Thank God, you know, we were so worried about this, but you made us feel that you understood what we needed and you took care of it."
One thing you'll find with our firm is that you'll get personal attention. If somebody needs to have a question answered, they can reach me directly, rather than with some of the larger firms where you don't have that option.